Hello. Here we are going to start the new topic of the pharmaceutical jurisprudence. This is the video for revision. So let us start the new topic. Hello. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. In this act, we see all the definition, all the provisions which are given to guide the medical practitioner how to terminate the medical pregnancy, and what are the reasons and what are the punishment penalties are given for the termination of illegal pregnancy. So we are going to start from our first slide. This is the first slide. Here the title is given, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. In the second slide, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 says, an act to provide for the termination of certain pregnancies by the registered medical practitioner and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, be it enacted by Parliament in this 22nd year of the Republic of India. As follows, this act may be called the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. It extends to the whole of the India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It shall come into force on such date as the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, appoint. In the next slide, in this act, unless the context otherwise requires, a guardian means a person having the care of the person of a minor or lunatic. The definition of lunatic: the lunatic has the meaning assigned to it in the section 3 of the Indian Lunacy Act 1912. Minor means a person who, under the provision of the Indian Majority Act 1875, is to be deemed not to have attained his majority. Registered medical practitioner means a medical practitioner who possesses any recognized medical qualifications as defined in clause of section 2 of the Indian Medical Council Act 1956, whose name has been entered in the state medical register and who has such experience of training in gynecology and obstetrics as may be prescribed by the rules made under this act. Notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Penal Code, a registered medical practitioner shall not be guilty of any offence under the code or under any other law for the time being in force in any pregnancies terminated by him in accordance with the provisions of this act. In the next slide, subject of the provisions of subsection are given. A pregnancy may be terminated by a registered medical practitioner where the length of the pregnancy does not exceed 12 weeks. If such medical practitioner where the length of the pregnancy exceed 12 weeks but does not exceed 20 weeks, if not less than who two registered medical practitioner are of opinion found a good faith that the continuance of the pregnancy would be involve a risk of the life of the pregnancy woman or to grave injury to her physical or mental health. Second, there is a substantial risk that if the child were born, it would suffer from some physical and mental abnormalities as to be seriously handicapped. Explanation. Where any pregnancy is alleged by the pregnant woman to have been accused by rape, the anguish caused by such pregnancy shall be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. Explanation. Second, where any pregnancy occurs as a result of failure of any device or method used by any married woman or her husband for the purpose of limiting the number of child, the anguish caused by such unwanted pregnancy may be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. In determining whether the continuance of pregnancy would involve Such risk of injury to the health as is mentioned in the subsector 2 account may be taken of the pregnant woman actual or reasonable foreseeable environment. No pregnancy of woman who has not attained the age of 18 years or who having attained the age of 18 years is a lunatic shall be terminated except with the consent in writing of her guardian save as otherwise provided in clause A. No pregnancy shall be terminated except with the consent of pregnant woman. No termination of pregnancy shall be made in accordance with the act at any place other than a hospital established or maintained by government, a place for the time being approved for the purpose of this act by government. The provisions of section 4 and so much of the provisions of subsection 2 of the section 3 as relate to the length of the pregnancy and the opinion of not less than two registered medical practitioners shall not apply to the termination of a pregnancy by a registered medical practitioner in a case where he is of opinion formed in good faith that the termination of such pregnancy is immediately necessary to save the life of the pregnant woman, notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Penal Code. The termination of pregnancy by a person who is not registered medical practitioner shall be an offence punishable under that code, and the code shall to this extent stand modified. Explanation: for the purpose of this section, so much of provisions of clause of section 2 are as relate to the possession by a registered medical practitioner of experience or training in gynecology and obstetrics shall not apply. The central government may by notification in the official gazette make rules to carry out the provisions of this act. The particular and without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing power, such rules may provide for all or any of the following matters, namely the experience or training of both which a registered medical practitioner shall have if he intends to terminate any pregnancy under this act, and there be such other matters as are required to be or may be provided by rules made under this act. Every rule made by the central government under this act shall be laid as soon as may be after it is made before each house of parliament while it is in session for a total period of 30 days, which may be compressed in one session or in two successive sessions, and if before the expiry of the session in which it is so laid for the or the session immediately following, both houses agree in making any modification in the rule, or both houses agree that the rule should not be made under the rule shall thereafter have effect only in such modified form or be of no effect as the case may be. So, however, that any such modification or annulment shall be without prejudice to the validity of anything previously done under this rule. The state government may by regulations require any such opinion as is referred to in subsection of section 3 to be certified by a registered medical practitioner or practitioners concerned in such form and at such time as may be specified in such regulation that the preservation or disposal of such certificate requires any registered medical practitioner who terminates a pregnancy to give intimation of such termination and such other information relating to the termination as may be specified in such regulation prohibit the disclosure except to such person and for such purpose as may be specified in such regulations of intimation given or information furnished in pursuance of such regulations. The intimation given and the information furnished in pursuance of regulation made by virtue of clause of subsection 1 shall be given or furnished as the case may be to the chief medical officer of the state. Any person who wilfully contravenes or wilfully fails to comply with the requirement of any regulation made under subsection shall be liable to be punished with fine which may extend to 1000 rupee. No suits or legal proceeding shall lie against any registered medical practitioner or any damage caused or likely to be caused by anything which is in good faith done or intended to be done under this act. Ministry of Health and Family Planning, Department of Family Planning, New Delhi, the 10th October 1975. In the exercise of the powers conferred by Section 6 of the Medical Termination of the Pregnancy Act 1971, the central government hereby makes the following rules, namely short title and commencement. These rules may be called the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Rule 1975. They shall come into force on the date of their publication in their official gazette. Definition in these rules, unless the contents Otherwise requires act means the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. Chief Medical Officer of the district means the Chief Medical Officer of a district by whatever name called. Form means a form appended to these rules. Owner in relation to a place means any person who is the administrative head or otherwise responsible for the working or maintenance of such hospital or clinic by whatever name called. Place means such building, tent, vehicle or vessels or part thereof as is used for the establishment or maintenance therein of a hospital or clinic which is used or intended to be used for the hospital or clinic which is used intended to be used or termination of pregnancy. Section means that the section of the act. Experience or training. For the purpose of Clause D of Section 2, a registered medical practitioner shall have one or more of the following experience or training in the gynecology and obstetrics, namely, in the case of a medical practitioner who was registered in a state medical register immediately before the commencement of the Act. Experience in the practice of gynecology and obstetrics for a period of not less than 3 years. In the case of a medical practitioner who was registered in a state medical register, or after the date of the commencement of the Act, if he has completed 6 months of house surgery in a gynecology and obstetrics, or unless the following facilities are provided therein, if he had experience at any hospital for a period of not less than 1 year in the practice of obstetrics and gynecology, if he has assisted a registered medical practitioner in the performance of 25 cases of medical termination of pregnancy in a hospital established or maintained by, or a training institute provided of the purpose by the government. In the case of medical practitioner who has been registered in a state medical register and who holds a post PG degree or diploma in gynecology and obstetrics, the experience of training gained during under the course of such degree or diploma. Approval of place. No place shall be approved under the under clause of subsection 4 unless the government is satisfied that termination of pregnancies may be done therein under safe and hygienic conditions, and unless the following facility are provided therein, namely an operation table and instruments for performing abdominal or gynecological surgery, anesthetic equipment, re-education equipment and sterilization equipment, drug and parenteral fluids for emergency use. Every application for medical approval or of a place shall be in a form and shall be addressed to the Chief Medical Officer of the district. On receipt of a medical application referred in subs rule, the Chief Medical Officer of the district shall verify the inquiry. Any information contained in any such application or inspected any such place with a view to satisfying himself that the facility referred to in sub rule are provided therein and the termination of pregnancy may be made therein under safe and hygienic condition. Every owner of the place which is inspected by the chief medical officer of the district shall afford all the reasonable facilities for the inspection of the place. The chief medical officer of district may, if he is satisfied after such verification, inquiries or inspection as may be considered necessary, that termination of pregnancy may be done under safe and hygienic conditions at the place, recommend the approval of such place to the government. The government may, after considering the application and the recommendation of the chief medical officer of the district, approve such place and issue a certificate of approval in Form B. The certificate of the approval issued by the government shall be conspicuously displayed at the place to be easily visible to person visiting the place. Inspection of a place approved under Rule 4 may be inspected by the Chief Medical Officer of the district as often as may be necessary with a view to verify whether termination of the pregnancies is being done there and therein under safe and hygienic conditions. if the chief medical officer has reason to believe that there has been death or injury to be pregnant woman and the place of or the termination of pregnancy is not being done at the place under safe and hygienic condition, he may call for any information or may seize any article, medicine, temple, admission register, or other document maintained, kept, or found at the place. The provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 2 of 1974 relating to seizure shall so far as may be apply to seizure made under sub rule cancellation or suspension of medical certificate of approval. If after inspection of any place approved under Rule 4, the Chief Medical Officer of the district is satisfied that the facilities specified in Rule 4 are not being properly maintained therein and the termination of pregnancy at the such place cannot be made under safe and hygienic condition, he shall make a report of the fact to the government giving the detail of the deficiencies or defect found at the place. On receipt of such report of the report, the government may, after giving the owner of the place a reasonable opportunity of being heard, either cancel the certificate of approval or suspend the name of for such period as it may think fit. Where a certificate issued under 4 is cancelled or suspended, the owner of the place may make such condition or improvement in the place as he may think fit, and thereafter he may make an application to the government for the issue of him of a fresh certificate or approval under Rule 4, or as the case may be for the revival of the certificate which was suspended under sub rule. The provisions of Rule 4 shall, as far as may apply to an application for the issue of a fresh certificate of approval in relation to a place, or as the case may be for the revival of a suspended, as they apply to an application for the issue of a certificate of approval under that rule. In the event of suspension of certificate of approval, the place shall not be deemed to be an approved place for the purpose of termination of pregnancy from the date of communication of the order of such suspension. The owner of a place who is aggrieved by an order made under Rule 6 may make an application for review of the order to the government within a period of 60 days from the date of such order. The government may, after giving the owner an opportunity of being heard, confirm, modify, or reserve the order from the form of consent. The consent referred to in subsection of section 3 shall be given In Form C, repeal and saving the medical termination of pregnancy rule 1972 are hereby repealed except as respect things done or omitted to be done before such repeal. Form A. See sub-rule 2 of Rule 4. Form of application for the approval of a place under clause of Section 4. Name of the place in the capital letters. Address in full. Non-government, private nursing home, other institution. 4. State if the following facilities are available at the place and operation table or instruments for performance abdominal or gynecological surgery, drugs and parenteral fluid, insufficient supply, emergency cases, anesthetic equipment, resuscitation equipment and sterilization equipment, place date, signature of the owner of the place, strike out whichever is not applicable. Form B, subsection rule of certificate of approval, the place of prescribed below here is approved form for the purpose of the medical termination of the pregnancy at 1971-34 of 1971, name of the place, address and other description, name of the owner, place, date to the government of the Form C. There are some forms to be seen by the medical practitioners and by the chief medical officer before the consent of the termination of pregnancy. So this is the first video of this topic.